excited. Ooh, how I like it. I try but I can't fight it. Oh, you're dancing real close. Plus it's real, real slow. You know what you're doing, don't you? Baby, when we're
is the fits. Pants Fashionnova, top Fashionnova, hat from Amazon, jewelry the Chic Women, code Zazel for 20 or 25% off. I keep forgetting which one it is. Jewelry, shop my magic links in the description box. Everything will be linked below. Yes, so freaking cute. I probably have to put on some nipple covers because baby, the nips is nipping. So cute. Love, love, love. And then I'm just gonna pair them with some white flats from Fashionnova as well. I wear them with everything because they're so freaking comfy. But yeah, this is the look. I love this. Is all me. Can't wait to get some photos. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so we're outside. So y'all saw me already and everything, but I did not tell y'all where we're going today. We are going to an event called Taste Addison. It's an event that takes place annually here in the town of Addison, Texas. And Unique always wanted to go. And a few vlogs ago, as y'all could see, we were in search for an apartment. And child, it was an emotional and spiritual struggle because God was literally testing us. And he just went silent, but we never stopped praying. We never stopped asking. And then we're so blessed, right, that we are in walking proximity to the event. So I'm just like really like happy and just counting my blessings because this is a huge event. Everybody comes from around the Metroplex just to come to this event, and we live right here. Like, baby, talk about a favor of God. Okay, so our outfits are definitely giving today. We are late per usual. I'm gonna need to stop that because my outfit was made for the sun, and the sun is point, and I'm kind of bummed out about that because y'all know I'm a son child. And Tatiana, y'all have never met Tatiana, but y'all gonna meet her today. Tatiana is a long time friend of mine from the Virgin Islands. We went to school together, and it was like a gap, like where life was just lifing. We just were doing our own thing, and God reconnected us randomly in Atlanta at the airport one time. We were both coming back to Texas, and we just clicked like we always been talking. Like there was no gap. So I'm excited for y'all to meet her because she's so special. She's so sweet. You know, fly girls could be mean. Tatiana always been fly for as long as I know her, and she's one of the sweetest people I know. So I'm excited for you guys to meet her. And Unique, say hi. Unique is fly, baby. Y'all was not ready. Style by Zazel. She nailed it. Alright guys, see you in the bed.
Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof. Load it up and do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 baby, ride it.
We are here, baby. We're in Taste Addison. It's a vibe. Love to see it. Love it. And I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna get something to eat. Let me call Tatiana to see where she at. Period. Tati got the Porsche. Hey, you look so cute. It's so cute. Yeah.
Oh my god,
I love this.
yes, yeah, I had to go get something to eat first. So like,
Okay, this is Tati.
no finish, them won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind run by money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my that be no wrong. But it they rush well, it be much. Now gotta make my top, it they rush. The kind money we touch, yeah. It they rush well, it be much. To be hype, everybody they crush. There's no money we touch.
Tatiana over here schooling us because we complaining about the music. She said, y'all see where we at? Okay, that's our bad. Ooh, the sun coming this way. Look, my deodorant. Bro, she is something else.
It's keeping me warm.
Initiating rage process.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. 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 And I'm sorry for who won't be my matter slowly. I'm only human, so make nobody bad out. Say I carry woman. Chain a man way I for carry. Fuck all the rumors. I be get when I talk, say I be pastor. If you know, you know. It can walk. It is not, oh. I can talk. Cause the holy go. Day, your day. Me and the 40 day, girl, I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
We're in line for Tiff treats. Nick been talking about getting Tiff treats for I don't know how long, so it better be worth the wait.
Definitely super tall. If y'all have on platforms, I'm not freakishly tall.
She's not. She's really our height, but baby, yes.
Yeah, get it twig.
Yeah.
She wanna spend some time into the light, into the light. She wanna catch a vibe. She wanna free her mind into the light, into the light, into the light.
All our vibes so we catch a big bonfire. Bunny Highland, never can tire. Bunny not toast, everything transpire. Baby, you're full of energy like fire. You're a goddess, beautiful and marvelous. Yeah, baby, don't hold back. Need you to let go.
Baby, love, just let go. Just let go for me. Let go for me. Just let go. Just let go for me. Let go for me.
On our way back home, guys.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
So
You gotta
fun.
do it with the deep throat.
Right.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
He was confused. He was like, what?
Like, bitch,
So we came home to get a little fresh, and we about to hit these dollar streets.
The streets.
Baby, we are in the Porsche. Yee! We're her first passengers. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
It's giving.
It's giving we manifest not go. We letting God lead the way.
Yes!
God will continue to bless us.
Yes! Y'all, it's so cool. Me love it. Me love it. Me love it.
Hello world, how y'all doing?
Yes, shout out your business, Mr. Clark.
Wing Mac, Frankfurt, 18149 Dallas Parkway. Come
Yes,
check us out.
come check him
7 days a week,
out.
open.
Period.
4-3
Yes, it's a vibe. Yes, and he'll take great care of y'all. Tell him Zazel sent you, baby. Hey guys, so we are back home. We stopped at Wing Mac, as you can see. I got some nice tasty little food. If you guys ever stop by in Dallas, make sure you stop by Wing Mac in Carrollton or Plano. I can't remember. It's a vibe over there. The owner is very nice, very hospitable, so you guys make sure you go and hit him up. The food has always been great and it is very consistent, so that's a plus. Today was definitely a vibe. The event, the music selection, or the artists could have been a lot better, but just getting out and exploring and tasting different foods, getting free samples, all of that was a vibe. Just being outside is always a vibe. And linking up with my girl Tatiana and my sister, just the girl time was amazing. So today was great. I wouldn't trade it for anything. Today was still amazing. It was still a vibe, and Dallas is a vibe. I used to hate Dallas, but I mean, baby, I'm living it up. Living my life like it's golden, or as Tatiana would say, it's a great time to be alive. So definitely visit Dallas. It has a lot to do and a lot to explore. So I am going to conclude this vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave me a comment below. Tell me your favorite part. Tell me if you're feeling this outfit, because baby, I love the outfit. I loved it. All the links to everything is going to be below. See you guys in the next vlog. Make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much to all my subscribers, everyone who have already been here from the beginning. Baby, we on the road to 1K. We almost there. So thank you, Lord, for that. I look forward, and I have something big in store. But I love you guys. See you. Peace. See you in the next vlog.
Yeah, you right.